This is the TaoTao Racer 50, and in this video I'm gonna talk about um, some of the stuff that I did to make it faster. And I did the big board kit, but today I'm gonna talk about the rollers on the clutch, and it's easy to do. And I'm gonna show you guys because some of you guys asked me about it. So this is gonna be a short video talking about that. So I bought all the ways and all the parts on Amazon, so it's easy to buy them and they not expensive, and you definitely gonna make your bike faster and better. So let me show you guys. So let me just set up the camera right here. So I went to Amazon and buy these little things. They call them rollers. This one are 7 grams, and this one are 4 grams. Let me just fix the camera. And so yes, 7 grams, 4 grams, and I got some 6 grams and 5 grams. If I'm not mistaken, this motorcycle came with 5 grams rollers. So one of the things that you gotta do, because all these depend on your weight and your height, so you know, because your weight is gonna affect on your motorcycle speed. You know, I'm 180 pounds. I'm about 180 pounds, 175 pounds. And the rollers that I'm using right now is the perfect setup for me. The setup that I got, it might not be the best setup for you. So it's something that you gotta do. It took me like 3 times. It took me like 3 tries to find out which one it was the best for me. I opened the engine. I took out the belt. You can watch some YouTube video on how to do this. It's easy. And I'm not a mechanic. I don't have experience, and I did it myself, so it's easy. If I did it, you can do it too. So I opened the engine and I took out the rollers. They inside this thing right here, and they supposed to go on those little spaces right there. And I got a scale. I put that in here, and there was 5 grams. And after I did that, I bought all these rollers because I know that I had to find out which one it was the best for me. And first I did 7. I put all 7, and it had a good takeoff, but after it was like under the road, it was slow. So I took out them and I put all 4 grams, and it was not take off at all, but I had a better speed. It was something like that. And so what I did, I put some 3 grams and 7 grams, and that didn't work. I put 3 grams. I put 3 7 grams and 6 5 and 3 7 grams and 3 5 grams, and that it was better. And then I ended up doing 6 and 5. 6 and 5, yes. Let me see. No, I think no. My mistake. I did 5s and 7s, 3 5s and 3 7s, and it's working. It's working fine. I got a good speed, good takeoff, and you can buy all these parts on Amazon. They're not expensive, but you get what you pay. So if you want a good quality, you're gonna have to pay for the good quality ones. If you doesn't have a lot of money and you don't want to spend a lot of money on the parts, my advice to you is wait until you get the money that you need. Save money, because you're gonna get what you pay. So I recommend you to, you don't have to buy the really expensive ones, but buy the ones that got good reviews. People, when people buy this type of stuff on Amazon, they write reviews, and that's what I do before I buy something. I check on the reviews, and if I heard good reviews, if I read good reviews, I buy them. So this is where the rollers go. The belt go in here, and this like move inside, the rollers move inside there. The one that I'm using, I buy this one to put it on, and the stock one, it was better than this one. I noticed that, and so I ended up using the stock one for like 2 months, and then I buy a different one. I don't have it in here, but this is one of the ones that I buy in Amazon. It's a good part. It got good reviews. It's this one right here, but for me, they didn't do that. They didn't do it. See. So yeah, this was a small review talking about the rollers for you TaoTao Racer 50 or any scooter. This is definitely help, because I did the big board kit and the carburetor, so that was good already. So after I did that too, it's perfect. Alright, you guys, please subscribe, because that will help me do more videos. If you have any question, you can ask me. I always read the comments and stuff like that. And hit that button, like, it made me want to do more videos. Plus it help, So please like the video, subscribe, and I'm gonna be doing more videos about the Racer 50 and the upgrades that I did. Cause next I want to talk about this thing that I did right there. I did a USB cigarette thing, you know. I buy this on Walmart.com, and it had two USB and a cigarette thing. I put that yellow stuff to block the cigarette hole, cause I'm not gonna use that. I'm only gonna use the USB. So my next video I'm gonna talk about that. You know, it's easy to do too. And now I'm able to charge my phone or charge my GoPro. You know. Alright, you guys, this is a video about the Racer 50 and the rollers.